So this one is the cube burger. This is the McDonald's Minecraft movie meal, one of the toys you receive, and I opened this one, but the seal is not broken. That's because I opened it from below here, and you open it like this. You press on the box and you open it, and if you want to put it back, you press again and it's closed. It's so easy. You could do it all day like this, all day. It's very simple. But if you want to get the cube, this burger, you search for 02 at the end in some countries, and then you get it. Or you already see it. It's kind of there. Okay, so that's the collectible card. Instruction. It's a nice card. You have this multi-layer burger with holographic effects. And that's the back of the card. There is a code here. Don't share this code if you plan to use the card. There is a code on the back of the card that would give you a Minecraft skin, and don't share this code if you got it, if you're planning to use it. If you're not planning to use it, you could share it with someone, but I think only once you could use this code. Write in the comments below how many times you think you should use this, you are able to use this code. I know that it's only once. So that's the back of the card with the QR code and the actual code to enter. 25 digits. It's a 25-digit code. Or the QR code. So I like these holographic effects. I have the soda potion 2 times, Birdie, and the hamburger or burger. Looks like playing cards. Yeah, I like these holographic effects on them. Okay, so this is the actual toy. It's just a box. I don't get this one. But here it has this. Interesting. These are different materials here. So you feel it's like the onion or something. Multi-layer onions. And then you have this. On the Birdie, there should have been also some writing. Some brand, manufacturer information. Yeah, here. So on the Birdie, you get here some information. It's the same as all of them. The copyright notice. Okay, so I guess this is the interesting part, where you have this different style of material on top, and then you get the McDonald's logo, Minecraft style, and the copyright information right there. Okay, so that's the copyright. You get the copyright information right there. And this is I find it interesting. It's like a Rubik cube, but without being able to move it around. It's one of the collectibles together with the card. So that's how it looks like. This burger or hamburger or square burger square. I'm not sure. Write in the comments below how this one is called, the official name for it. And the last one